Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome in this video. Viewers, in this video I am going to show you very beautiful and very stylish baby dresses collection, baby outfit collection. Viewers, there is a page on Instagram, online baby dresses collection. Viewers, in this page you show many baby dresses designing ideas and they sell this design. This shirt design price is 950. Design t-shirt, fabric single jersey, material knitted cotton 100% or half pant है. If you want to buy this, then visit this page and buy this online. This is the second collection and same as the first one, just color is changed, and this is also the same as first one. Where this design collection is very amazing. It is styled as a bloomer design, and if you want to buy it, DM on this page and he will give you a contact number from whom you contact and place your order. This is the third design. I hope you like this video. Viewers, watch this video till end and watch all the designing ideas that I will show in this video. Viewers, this design is very beautiful and very stylish. A baby dress design and bluebird design. If you want to buy this hairband design as same as this frock, then ask in comment section. I will upload hairband design, tutorial design. I hope you like these designs. Watch this video till end without skip. Like this video, share this video, ask in comment section which type of new video you want. I will upload a new video as you want on my channel. Viewers, if you like this design and want more designing ideas like this, visit of pages, visit of websites, and I will upload more videos for you in which I will talk about how to buy this designing ideas, how to knit this, how to stitch this design, how to cut this design. Viewers, I will upload daily one tutorial on my channel. Watch all the tutorials that I have uploaded previously. Viewers, go on my channel video and go on videos and filter the videos and click on old video. You show all the design that I will upload on my channel, all the tutorial that I will upload on my channel. I hope viewers you like this video and you share this video with your relative, with your customer, with your friend. Viewers, if you are new on my channel and watch my video first time and want more videos like this, then ask in comment section. I will upload more videos for you. Subscribe my channel, press bell icon and press option all to alert my daily routine videos that I upload daily for you. I have upload daily many designing ideas, many design collection for you. If you want to buy this design, then ask in comment section. I will give you a number. I will give you this page link. If you don't find it, ask in comment. I will give you a link of this page. I hope you liked it. Take care, viewers. I will show many designing ideas for you. Wait for my new videos. Okay, thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.